Hello?
Hi. He went in that front door there.
This one right here?
Yeah, with a chainsaw.
Okay.
Running chainsaw. He tried to cut that tree.
He went into that door right there?
Yeah, that front entrance door.
This one with the pillars?
Yes.
The white pillars?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do me a favor and just hang out here for a second? Okay.
1358.
Hello.
Tell me to send the log out to someone else.
Just hold it for now.
Check on.
Get that light run for your boy,
How long
please.
ago did he go in there? Okay.
No, we like these body cam videos.
Okay.
That's somebody right there.
Hey! Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know. He came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call to the business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open. 10-4.
He went that way.
Units didn't come in. Can you step it up? Hey!
Inconvenience.
Hey, hey, hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
I'm when you're upstairs, someone B1 for St. Charles.
Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Hey, drop. Hey. Hey.
Hey,
Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. Drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
Oh my God.
Hey, drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
1393. Can you 10-9?
I got one at taser point.
yo, I'm surprised he didn't let that thing go already.
Drop
What?
it! Drop it! Drop it!
He's letting him walk off?
You want me to leave? Yes.
Step it up!
I'm leaving here without my lady. Where is she?
Step it up!
Empty.
Drop it!
It's out of gas.
Man, I just want to listen, man. I don't want to
Taser up one! Taser! Hey! Hey! Hey, right here! He's right here! He's right here!
Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm going to do it. Oh, what's that?
Shots fired!
Shots fired.
Attention all Irish units. We're going to St. Charles.
That's crazy.
Fifth Avenue.
Get him over! Get him over!
North Avenue, St. Charles. Attention all
Get him over.
special attention St. Charles units. Shotgun dispatching is shots fired.
Oh, nah, that's crazy.
We're going to St. Charles. Responding to acknowledgement ETA.
I didn't know they. Oh, I was surprised it took him that long. I'm not even gonna lie, but that's kind of crazy. Hey, he's leaking.
Hey, get out here. Come on, buddy. Come here.
He's dead. He's done. He's done.
Roll medics. Hey, right here. He's right here. He's right here.
Get him out.
That's crazy.
Shots fired!
Attention all outreach units.
Look at all the old people just trying to mind their business. This is crazy. He's dead though. He's dead. He's not even talking.
Come on. Watch out, move your...
Wow. Wow. That was shit. Look at all that blood.
Hey, get out here. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come here.
Yeah, he's done. He's done. He's done. He's done. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm a little speechless. That was intense. That was intense. Wow. Anyways, y'all let me know y'all thoughts about this down in the comments below. Did he deserve to die? He's dead. Clearly. I think he caused it on himself, to be honest, and to be respectful. He shouldn't have done that. Again, it looks like another mental health case because he was looking for somebody. He was saying his wife, but he was in a nursing home. I don't even know. This is kind of crazy still. I'm a little mind boggled. I'm a little baffled. Can't even lie to you. Let me know y'all thoughts about this down in the comments below. I'd really like to know y'all thoughts. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. I appreciate y'all viewership, man. Hit that like button on y'all way out. Hit that subscribe button if y'all are new. Till next time, it's your boy Dgotsauce. Peace. Shout outs to today's sponsor, the Snacks.shop. They have a variety of snacks, and I'm telling you right now, guys, they smack. All right, this is my third bag. All right, third bag. Thank you for everything you guys sent to me from the Snacks.shop. I appreciate y'all care package. Today's sponsor, make sure you guys go check them out. They have some dope snacks, and I can't lie, man. It's busting. I'm going to get some more of these. I promise you. These are the Korean chicken. Korean chicken, like literally. Check out their website. Go cop something, man. Let them know that Dgotsauce sent you. And thank you again to today's sponsor, the Snacks.shop.